2003 Ford Mustang Mach 1, 5-speed manual transmission, 15,000 miles. Let's take it for a test drive. It must be the week of low mileage Ford late model muscle cars. Today we are in a 2003 Ford Mustang Mach 1. This car has super low miles of 15,167 actual miles. It is a clean Carfax, no accidents or damage ever reported. Also have a good Marty report, and just a super clean car front to back. It's had some tasteful modifications done, kind of all stuff that I would personally do to one of these, but mechanically it has your stock 4.6. This one is a 5-speed manual transmission. You could obviously get the Mach 1s in 03 and 04 as an automatic as well, but this one is optioned with the 5-speed. Factory rear end in the back. It has been lowered. We'll touch on that a little bit later in the video. But other mechanical modifications, it does have aftermarket Flowmaster catback exhaust. For me, Flowmaster is going to be your pinnacle exhaust really across the board on almost everything. For me, the Flowmasters sound great on these Mach 1s. It does have a Flowmaster kit, so mufflers, tailpipes, and tips coming out the back. Sounds great when you get in the throttle, and we'll do that here a little bit further in the video as well. Like it to warm up just a little bit before we get heavy acceleration. AC's nice and cold. Clutch feels great. Power steering, power disc brakes. All your standard performance and mechanical specs and features that these Mach 1s were born with. They're 305 horse and 320 foot-pounds of torque, so they run well for what they are. On the interior, you have your stock Mach 1 interior. It's code AW, which is the bucket seats in charcoal here. No real bolster wear on the edge of the driver's seat from getting in and out. Door panels are excellent. Dash is like new. Headliner, visors, all that stuff shows great. But you do obviously have a power driver's seat over here. Power options like windows, locks, mirrors. You do have an aftermarket stereo, which you can hook your phone up to. But interior is super nice. Nice mats, carpet looks good, consoles like brand new. You do have an aftermarket short throw shifter. Super easy to find all the gears. Mach 1 gauges, everything works. In the additional informations tab on the website pcclassiccars.com, you will find that clean Carfax, the Marty report, as well as some little photos of imperfections on the car. See that, again, the screenshot of the does it work section, and everything on this car works. Lights, gauges, horn, wipers, radio, heat, AC, parking brake, washer fluid sprayers, cruise control, steering wheel controls for the cruise. All that is ready to go. Get in the throttle some. And there you have it, mechanically ready to go. Drives absolutely excellent. Zero complaints mechanically. On the underneath, this Mach 1 is extremely clean. Floors are excellent, frame rails are great. Rear end, suspension components, everything checks out awesome. No problems of any kind on the underneath. You do again have that Flowmaster catback exhaust system, shows great. The rest of the exhaust does appear to be original. On the exterior, it's code D3, which is your torch red paint. It is original paint front to back. The Mach 1s in 03 and 04 are very susceptible to the front bumpers fading really bad. This one actually is very clean. The bumpers look very uniform with the rest of the car. Some very miscellaneous little touch-ups on the front of the hood. A couple other very small little imperfections around the car, but overall the original paint does show excellent. You have your iconic Mach 1 shaker hood scoop there, your rear spoiler in the back, your factory Mach 1 wheels, and this one is wearing its original tires. The tires do feel good going down the road, but they are from 2003, so if you plan on driving this car, I would personally buy a set of brand new tires to put on there, but that's to each their own. I would keep the original tires because it's good to go along with the collectability aspect of the car, but the tires are from 2003, so just maybe make a note, you might want to put some tires on it at some point. On the suspension, this car has been lowered in the front and the back just a little bit. I think it gives it just a better aggressive stance. You do have Maxim Motorsports caster camber plates. Usually when you lower one, you're going to want to do that as well. Suspension feel still feels like a stock car. You just kind of get a little bit lower of a stance from the exterior appearance of the car. If you wanted to put different wheels and tires on it, you could obviously put a bigger set. When a car's lowered like this, it just looks really good. But even with the factory wheels, I think being lowered just a little bit like this one has looks awesome. Steering is nice and tight. Car goes exactly where you want it to go. No rattles, no shakes, no squeaks of any kind. The brakes feel good. All of your glass is in excellent condition. You do have an aftermarket tint strip here. Doesn't bother me one bit. Side windows do appear to be tinted a little bit as well. Windows roll all the way down, they roll all the way back up. The power locks and the power mirrors all work. Rear defrost, you have the little button right there, clicks on, clicks off. You have your traction control button, clicks on, clicks off. And then if you click your headlights on, you got your fog light button, you can click on and off as well. But if your headlights are off, you're not going to be able to switch that on and off. Driving position is great with tilt. You can get comfortable in here. These driver seats, I believe they're a 6-way seat, and then they do have an adjustable power lumbar on the very far outside, so you can adjust that as well. Downshift. Clutch again engages where you want it to. When you pop the trunk, inside the compartment back there all looks OE spec and very factory. Nothing's out of place. Doesn't look like the spare's ever been out of the trunk back there. Inside the engine bay, very clean, very well kept. It's all detailed, very, very nice. It is the original numbers matching 4.6 for the car. I'm a fan of these cars, man. They run and drive great. They're super fun. They're very sporty cars. I buy, sell, trade a lot of these. They come across my videos a lot because I buy and sell a lot of them. They're great cars. People love them. There's really not a lot to complain about. They're fun to drive. They're comfortable to drive. You can do some simple things to them, leave them stock. This one, again, has some real cool modifications, all stuff that I would probably do to it. I love the stereo. I love the short throw shifter. The Flowmaster sound excellent. The torch red paint's very, very nice. Again, you got a couple small little imperfections cosmetically, which you will see in the additional informations tab on the website pcclassiccars.com. But it's a no-nonsense car, clean Carfax, runs and drives like a brand new one. Side mirrors are easy to see out of. Rear view mirror looks good. As always, I'm Mike. This is a 2003 Ford Mustang Mach 1 with 15,174 miles from myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars. We appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drive videos. Make sure you check out all of the content across our social platforms. We'll catch you guys on the next video and hope you have a great rest of your day.